Welcome to Financial Freedom and Finance channel. Here we upload videos to give you a helping hand in reaching your financial goals. We hope to give you tips for achieving financial freedom using finance, one video at a time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about financial literacy. In the lesson today you will learn 10 different ways to earn money using your house. Owning a home may provide fantastic financial opportunities. You increase your wealth and home equity with each mortgage payment. Paying a mortgage differs from paying rent in this way. You gain from mortgages, while your landlord gains from rent. Your top priority as a first-time home buyer is to choose a monthly payment that fits your budget. Your real estate taxes, homeowner's insurance, and even home improvements can be covered by a side business you can do from home. Here are 10 methods to profit from your new home. 1. Take on a roommate. For years, people have used roommates to split the cost of rent, and having housemates when you own a home has similar advantages. Your roommates help you pay your mortgage in full each month, divide the cost of your utilities, and help with housework, which saves you time and money. Though it's not always easy, you have priority as the landlord if you live with roommates. Conflict may result, and you might be forced to make challenging choices. Establish explicit rules with your roommates and have them sign a lease to safeguard your long-term investment to reduce difficulties. 2. Rent out your yard. Large yards, swimming pools in the backyard, and guest houses are all amenities that may help you pay your expenses and get to know your neighbors. At hourly or overnight fees that you decide, promote, and share the features of your house. There are also apps that might be useful. For instance, SniffSpot enables you to share your yard with your canine neighbors. They enjoy a secure playing environment, and you make a few bucks every hour. In a similar vein, Swimply enables you to establish an hourly fee for guests to use your pool. While neither project is likely to fully cover your mortgage payment, they both serve as great supplements to help you afford upkeep and other costs. 3. Plant a garden. Gardens are attractive to look at, and they grow good food. In most climes, it's easy to cultivate fresh fruit and vegetables. You may sell your surplus produce fresh or turn it into pickles, jams, and other preserves to sell all year long. A larger garden may be rented for photography and small parties, and flower gardens can generate lovely blossoms and seeds that you can sell. To make the most of the natural beauty, explore how you may dry flowers for use in jewelry, printing, and other crafts. 4. Produce and market products. The location of your new house can be ideal for starting a small business. Operating a company from home may be handy and comes with the extra benefit of tax advantages for home offices. Here are a few well-liked home-based business concepts to think about. Home-based bakery, treats and equipment for animals, art jewelry, renovation of furniture and woodworking. Check with your local municipal government to see if there are any certificates, licenses, or permissions needed for some home companies in order to operate from a house. 5. Provide additional storage space. Consider renting out excess space in a garage or shed if a property has it for storage. The average monthly price for a storage facility is $90, and climate-controlled apartments are considerably more costly. There are many people looking for reasonably priced business solutions, which you might be able to offer. Another flexible business idea is to sell the surplus space you have for storage. If a home is moving and needs to temporarily store some boxes, you can decide to allow short-term rentals. As an alternative, you may decide to rent out your garage for a whole season to house a boat or an RV, depending on what suits your lifestyle the best. 5. Establish a home studio. Home studios may be the ideal setting for developing a creative passion and earning additional money. Hobbyist musicians, live stream gamers, and others may set up a room in their homes to build a following and make money. You'll be doing what you love, which is the finest part. 7. Make your house a set. Owning a residence in a well-known film location, such as Atlanta or Palm Springs, presents the exceptional chance to lease your residence as a set. $1 million house is not necessary, though, as numerous films and television programs depict typical American homes. Even smaller cities receive employment in some measure. Additionally, residential sets are needed for commercial shots and advertising firms. Connect with location agents, regional film commissions, or look at apps like Gigster if you're interested in seeing your house on the big or little screen. 8. Hosting events. Large properties are very adaptable, and you can rent out your space for special occasions like weddings and concerts. This might involve paying for specialized permissions, outside power, and restroom arrangements. The good news is that a significant event can generate thousands of dollars in revenue in a single day. Consider participating in agritourism events like seasonal mazes, wine tastings, and mini markets if you reside in a rural or agricultural region as a way to celebrate locally produced food. 9. Share your parking space. Parking may be expensive, especially if your property is located in an area with a lot of people. Apps like JustPark make it simple to market and rent your space for both short-term and long-term rentals, whether your property has additional space in its garage or a parking spot. Similar to this, if your house is close to a venue for events or a sports arena, you can charge for the use of parking spaces on your property during special occasions. Again, this is quite flexible, so you may decide to work on it over the weekend or once a month. 10. Try home tutoring. If you possess a teachable ability, you may earn additional money by teaching others. Academic tutoring in a variety of areas is constantly in demand and may be done from your home or even electronically. Artistic instruction for musical instruments or painting are also quite popular. Private academic tutors for students pay, on average, $25 per hour, whereas certified instructors make closer to $56 per hour. The hourly rate for skilled music teachers is $60 on average. When you own your house, you have chances to make additional money that you don't have when you rent a place to live. Whatever side business you decide to pursue, your house can facilitate it. Enjoy your new house. That is it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about how to make money with your house, handling your finances, and where you should get started if you want to achieve financial freedom. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.